So that is how you need to do the auto tuning, continuous auto tuning. Newer ships, this also you can do auto tuning. This also can you do continuous auto tuning. So you got an option to do all the three. But also I must tell you, now we do the auto tuning automatically around 20% and above MCR. So you know you don't have to do any manual adjustment. The system will understand there's a problem. It will automatically adjust and they cannot adjust the value which goes beyond the limit, then you can allow. So that is the latest version of the software. If you are there on that kind of a software, must understand this is how the system works. Okay. Any questions from you? Anything from you guys? Nothing? Okay, good. So what I would like to do now, okay, I have a I have a screen here where
There is a
each
question, Francis. Does
yeah
auto tuning work in bad weather?
yeah is the auto tuning in the bad weather. If your values are deviating more than the threshold, then it will not work. Otherwise, it is okay. So I would suggest you if the propeller is moving too high low, so your values also will vary. So then it will not do by itself. Okay? I have a question. Very practical question. You have got an alarm. Taco system, taco system A failure. Engine is running. You got a taco system A failure. So how are you going to go ahead with this problem and how are you going to solve it? How will you go ahead with this? What is the
Sir,
first thing that you have to do? What is the next thing that you'll do?
sir, can you repeat your question?
Your taco system A, you got an alarm. Engine is running. Taco system A failure. So how do you check this and how do you go ahead with the running your engine? You will not do anything.
There's nothing in the chat, Francis. I don't know if anything.
They heard the question, maybe. Maybe they have not heard the question.
Maybe we'll give them a chance.
Yeah. Taco system A failed. What will be your action plan? You have an alarm, taco system A failure. That is alarm that you get it on the screen. I'll just initiate it for you. You come to engine room, check the alarm. So you say tacho system may failure. You click on the information text. So it will tell you tacho system may failure. Action, there are so many actions. One of them will be check the alarm is coming from all MPC or is it coming from only one MPC. That will be one line for you, which is a lifeline. If fault is reported by only one MPC or all the MPCs. What is the meaning of this statement? Can anyone tell me?
So it's either the taco system itself, or if the system or the taco system is okay, but the systems after taco system cannot recognize the values anymore.
Yeah. So it says your alarm is coming from, okay, maybe to explain this, I need to bring a little more point here. Which all MPCs the taco input is going?
ECUA.
ECUA.
And to CCUs.
Okay. The taco system A failed. Which all MPCs will trigger the alarm? All the MPCs will cry, no? ECUA will cry, ECB will cry, CCU 1 to 10 will cry because there is no signal there. If that is what happening, you have an alarm coming from all the CCUs and ECUs. Let us consider this. Taco A failure, all the 12 alarms you got. Now, what will be your course of action to fix the problem?
Can we measure the output on any of the taco sensors that we talked about previously?
Yeah, we can do that. But what will be a first action? How your brain should work now?
We can go and see the amplifier unit of the.
No, this indicates it's a common problem. That's what I want you to tell me. Is that correct? Is that correct?
Yes, it is correct.
It can be from the taco, it could be from the amplifier. Very correct. Absolutely right. So, what will be your action plan? Like somebody mentioned, you will check the taco amplifier. Very good. You can, when you say taco system A failure, you must understand it can be one of them is faulty or all four are faulty. Okay. Any one of them is faulty, or 2 or 3 or 4, you will have the same alarm. And of course, it will also trigger an alarm from channel number 40, 41, 42, 43. So now if you look, I don't know whether you've seen this, I'm not too sure whether it's still there in your mind. In the ECU, channel number 40, 41, 42, 43 is for taco system. 40 is taco system, that I remember I had told you. All 40s are for taco. Now, let us divide it into two problems. One is a common problem. And it's very unlikely all the 4 sensors go bad because marker sensor is fitted on the flywheel. These are on the shaft. So if there's a wire break, etc., maybe these all 3 can give an alarm, but not this one. Right? If all the 4 are giving alarm, then like he mentioned, Jagdish mentioned, you're Jagdish, right? Mentioned the taco system amplifier card may be wrong, or there is a cable which is coming from that can be wrong. Now, again you divide into 2. Let us say the problem is only coming from marker master.